The second round of the international competition Yılın Turkmen Edermen Alabaý was held at the Turkmen Alabai Dogs Economic Association. It was attended by Turkmen Alabai, who were selected as winners in the first round. The purpose of the international competition among Turkmen Alabai dogs, which is organized annually in April together with the International Association of Turkmen Alabai Dogs in conjunction with the International Association of Turkmen Alabai Dogs on the occasion of the Turkmen Alabai holiday, is one of the millenniums of our sovereign state. The image of the Turkmen Alabai dog, which is considered to be an excellent example of loyalty, bravery, is an artistic expression in the works of fine and applied art and further enhances the glory of the Turkmen Alabai dogs. The competition is also held to preserve, breed, promote the visibility, loyalty, and bravery of Turkmen Alabai dogs, select and breed brave Turkmen Alabai dogs, and encourage breeders. To participate in the international competition, the appropriate dimensions of the body structure specific to the Alas dogs must be met. In particular, it's important that their characteristics such as long-leggedness, elongation, elasticity, and head length meet the established criteria. The members of the jury paid special attention to the appearance of the referees, the structures and harmony of the body parts, and the harmonious behavior, that is, their confident behavior and patience, which took part in this round of the international competition. In connection with the task set by the President for the continuous reproduction of Turkmen Alabai, the method of popular selection, the use of modern achievements of world science, the best traditions of the National Heraldry School and the National Association of Turkmen Alabai Dogs, created by the efforts of the esteemed President. The current competition is also one of the most important tasks aimed at fulfilling those tasks. As is well known, our people have always valued Alabai for their loyalty. As is known in the Turkmen shepherd's language, the unparalleled Alabai as a protector faithfully defended his owner and his house. Thus, Alabai became a symbol of boundless loyalty, trust, and friendship, and it was these concepts that they were embodied in the symbol of the association. The Turkmen Alabai dogs, who competed in the second round of the Turkmen Brave Hero of the Year international competition, won the right to participate in the final round of the competition. The organization of such competitions testified to the high level of attention paid to Turkmen Alabai. This is another clear example of the great importance given to the future cultivation, proper preparation of the Alabai, which are considered to be our national values, and to increase their global fame.
Turkmen Alabai bilemmedik beyaz teşviklere katnaştılar.
Today, our dogs of the Alabai took part in the competition. Each of them has its own special character, beautiful in its own way, and successfully overcame obstacles. Alabai of different ages are admitted to the competition. The exterior character traits and the ability to overcome obstacles are assessed. Turkmen dogs are very devoted to their owners. While overcoming obstacles, they behave without the embarrassment of the environment. This is a character inherited in Turkmen dogs. This year, for the first time, together with the national holiday of the Turkmen horse, the holiday of the Turkmen Alabai is also celebrated. We congratulate the esteemed President and Turkmen people, young dog breeders, from the bottom of our heart on the National Day of Turkmen Horse and Turkmen Alabai holiday. I wish the esteemed President sound health, long life, and successes in all undertakings.
Yüreğimizden kutlayaz. Şeyle mümkünçülükleri öğretip beriyen hormatly prezidentimizin jany sag, ömrü uzak bolsun.
Under the wise leadership of these team president, a lot of work is being carried out with the aim of bringing the country's national values to a new, higher level. This year, for the first time, together with the national holiday of the Turkmen horse, the holiday of the Turkmen Alabai is also celebrated. As part of this holiday, a competition called Yılın Turkmen Edermen Alabai is held. The second round of the competition took place. It was attended by 25 40 Turkmen Alabais. 10 of them won the right to participate in the final stage of the competition. We would like to thank this team president for the wide opportunities created for Turkmen dog breeders. I wish this team president sound tough, long life and successes in all undertakings.
If you look at the history of the Turkmen people, you are convinced that the people have a rich cultural heritage that has its roots in the depth of millennia. A vivid example of this is the Alabai breed, which our ancestors brought to our days. One can see the great role of the Turkmen Alabais in the life of the Turkmens by getting acquainted with the information and historical records associated with them. Turkmen Alabai are characterized by natural stability, loyalty to the owner, patronage, fearlessness, and intransigence in battle, and where necessary goodwill. These qualities of the Alabai have been improved over the centuries. Alabai are infinitely loyal to their master. Alabai dogs are very calm and balanced. They are brave and reasonable. Unlike dogs of other breeds, Alabai faithfully serve their master. They differ in physique. The Turkmen Alabai is a wonderful contribution of the ancient descendants of the old tribes to the global culture. Alabai, like the winged horses, is an assistant and devoted friend of the Turkmens. For millennia, the Turkmens worked hard to maintain the purity of the breed and properly educated the Alabai. A strong and fearless Alabai is wary of strangers, remains faithful to his master and, until his last breath, protects his house and his family. Purebred Alabai are considered the natural property of the Turkmen people. Turkmen Alabai is known all over the world. Alabai won the love of their masters. They are reliable defenders. This is the oldest breed that was studied to be raised to help shepherds and protect pastures. These beret dogs can be very formidable in appearance, but everyone who is familiar with this breed understands perfectly well that a very sensitive heart is hidden behind the outer shell, able to appreciate a good attitude. Alabai is kinder to children, allows them to play with themselves and therefore becomes a real family member. Alabai are very reasonable. First they will assess their situation, only after that they will begin to act. Turkmen Alabai has positive qualities, such as cleanliness and respect for the surrounding things. Our ancestors always cared for their dogs. Alabai are distinguished by quick wit, discipline, endurance, and sensitivity. For centuries, the Turkmen people bred guard breeds of Alabai, wolfhounds, and cattle dogs and raised them specially for their intended purpose.